Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing stands as a pinnacle of luxury performance sedans, seamlessly blending high-end craftsmanship with track-capable prowess. At its heart lies a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This formidable power plant propels the CT5-V Blackwing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.4 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Drivers can choose between a standard 6-speed manual transmission, featuring active rev matching and no-lift shifting for purists, or an available 10-speed automatic transmission that offers seamless gear changes. The vehicle's performance is further enhanced by Brembo high-performance brakes, ensuring exceptional stopping power, and an advanced suspension system that provides precise handling and a comfortable ride. Inside, the CT5-V Blackwing exudes luxury with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece is a 33-inch diagonal advanced LED display, offering intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Available features such as Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free driver assistance technology, and an enhanced performance data recorder cater to both convenience and driving enthusiasts. The exterior design is both aggressive and refined, featuring a larger front grille, new fascia, and signature vertical lighting that not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics. Optional carbon fiber packages further reduce weight and add a distinctive visual appeal. Pricing for the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing starts at approximately $90,000, with higher trims and additional options elevating the cost. This model represents a harmonious fusion of luxury and high performance, appealing to those seeking an exhilarating yet sophisticated